In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize quiz settings in Google Forms. These settings allow you to control how grades are released, what respondents can see, and how your quiz behaves overall. To get started, open your Google Form. Go to Google Forms and select the form you want to edit so you can access the main editor. Once you're inside the form, look at the top menu and click on Settings. You'll find this tab right next to Questions and Responses. This is where you manage all quiz-related options. Inside the Settings panel, turn on the option labeled Make this a quiz. This enables quiz features like grading, answer keys, and score visibility. After enabling quiz mode, scroll to the Release Grades section. Here, you can choose when respondents will see their scores. You can select immediately after each submission, if you want instant feedback, or choose later, after manual review, if you prefer to review answers before releasing results. Next, move to the Respondent Settings section. This is where you decide what information users can see after completing the quiz. You can enable options like showing missed questions so respondents know what they got wrong, displaying correct answers after grades are released, and showing point values so they can see their score breakdown. Then, scroll down to the Global Quiz Defaults section. Here, you can adjust the default point value that will automatically be assigned to new questions you add in the future. This helps you maintain consistency when creating multiple quiz questions. Once you've configured all your preferences, your quiz settings are automatically saved. Your form is now fully customized to control grading, feedback, and scoring visibility for your respondents.